everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter 11, that is India Wins Freedom. So in this chapter I will tell you about some revolutionary freedom movement, how Gandhi ji joined the movement, then Jallianwala Bagh miscarriage movement launched by Gandhi ji और रोल क्या था सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी का and what happened after India got independence. So freedom fighters of India did not give up. उन्होंने give up नहीं करा. Finally British were forced to leave India. British को ही force करा कि आप इंडिया छोड़ो, right? And this grit and determination of freedom fighters compelled the all-powerful British Empire to accept defeat. Right? Now, when the British did not take away steps to grant freedom of India after First World War, all Indians were disappointed. सारे इंडियंस क्या थे disappointed थे. So the enactment of Rowlatt Act had intensified the anger of people. What this created? This created group of revolutionaries who wanted to drive away the British. Now revolutionaries कौन थे? These are the group of young men and women who followed violent methods of protest. What they did? They believed that independence could only be achieved through it. Right? So आप वायलेंट मेथड से ही क्या करो, लड़ाई झगड़ा करके ही इंडिपेंडेंस को जीत सकते हो. तो कुछ प्रोमिनेंट रिवॉल्यूशनरी थे जैसे औरबिंदो घोष, राज बिहारी बोस, वीर सावरकर, अजीत सिंह. व्हाट दे फॉर्म. फिर कुछ अनदर ग्रुप ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशनरीज थे जिसमें आपके चंद्रशेखर आजाद, भगत सिंह, खुदीराम बोस, सुखदेव राजगुरु, असफुल्ला खान और रामप्रसाद बिस्मिल्ला. दे ऑल वर इंक्लूडेड. What they showed extreme loyalty to their motherland, right? They become the source of inspiration for millions of Indians. क्या बने? एक source of inspiration बने, right? Many revolutionaries operated from foreign land, right? Lala Hardayal formed Gadar Party in the USA to help India to attain independence from British rule. Syamji Krishna Verma, what he formed? Indian House in London for the same purpose, and let us read about the incident from the life of Chandrasekhar Azad, a great freedom fighter. One day Chandrasekhar Azad was participating in the protest march. Police arrested him. They were all given a slogan, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata ki Jai. Right? He was produced before the magistrate. What is your name? He said Azad. Right? So what is your father's name? That is Swatantrata. So where do you live? वो कहाँ बोलते? जेल में. So magistrate got angry with Azad's behavior. उनको punish करते हैं in many lashes, and with each lashes he shouted भारत माता की जय. ठीक है, वो क्या करते हैं? भारत माता की जय बोलते हैं. फिर इमरजेंस ऑफ गांधी जी. गांधी जी आते हैं इंडिया in 1915 from South America. South Africa, he saw the same racial discrimination in India, which was already experienced in South Africa. He was humiliated many times while in South Africa. Once he was thrown out of train when he was traveling in the first class compartment with a valid ticket. Ticket valid था तब भी उनको बाहर फेंक दिया था. The reason क्या था कि वो इंडियन थे, right? And उनको फर्स्ट क्लास में ट्रैवल करना अलाउ नहीं था, थर्ड क्लास में ही वो ट्रैवल करते थे. And it was unbearable for him to see such discrimination on his own land. तो उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड करा कि वो फ्रीडम मूवमेंट ज्वाइन करेंगे. This was mentored by Gopal Krishna Gokhale upon his arrival. He believed in truth and non-violence, and what he decided to follow the path of Satyagraha for the freedom struggle. His idea became popular in whole country, and he became popular leader of masses. When Rowlatt Act was passed in 1990, Gandhiji called off the protest against this act, and the people responded in millions. Jallianwala Bagh incident was most crucial act done by the British. There was a small park in Amritsar, जिसको हम जलियांवाला बाग कहते हैं, which had only one gate for entrance and exit. एक ही गेट था एंटर करने का भी और बाहर आने का भी. 13 April 1990, around 5,000 people, men, women and children gathered in a Jallianwala Bagh, and what they did? They hold a peaceful meeting. During the meeting, General Dyer along with his troops arrived in the park. He ordered his troops to fire at the people without giving them any warning. Now, movement launched by Gandhiji, non-cooperation movement. So, Indian leaders were shocked by the Jallianwala Bagh incident. Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement, non-violent movement थी, which aimed to protest against the British rule. People boycotted British goods and used only local-made goods. Instead, students and teachers stopped going to school run by the British. जो British run कर रहे थे, तो स्कूल को उन्होंने जाना बंद कर दिया. People left their government jobs. Many people returned the title. जो उनके best of title थे वो return कर दिए. Gandhiji called off this movement. आफ्टर जब चौरा चौरा वाला इंसिडेंट हो जाता है, 20 पुलिसमैन डाइड इन दिस इंसिडेंट इन उत्तर प्रदेश. गांधी जी कॉल्ड ऑफ एंड क्लैश बिटवीन पुलिस एंड प्रोटेस्टर्स. सो इसमें क्या हुआ था, हमारे 22 पुलिसमैन डाई हुए थे. इट इज नॉट रिटन हियर बट आई एम टेलिंग यू देयर वाज 22 पुलिसमैन. फिर हमारी सिमन कमीशन बनती है जिसमें आपके 7 मेंबर थे. तो लुक आउट करेंगे प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंडिया और ये आपको सजेस्ट करेंगे नेसेसरी रिफॉर्म्स. दिस कमीशन वाज हेडेड बाय सर जॉन सिमन. ये आपके सर जॉन सिमन है. पीपल ऑफ इंडिया फेल्ट ह्यूमिलेटेड और उनको आउटराइट फील हुआ बिकॉज कमीशन विच वाज फॉर्म टू डिटरमाइन द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया डिड नॉट हैव अ सिंगल इंडिया. भाई जो इंडिया के फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रही है कमीशन, उसमें एक भी इंडियन नहीं है, तो उन्होंने इसको बाइकॉट करा. राइट, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस डिसाइडेड टू boycott this commission when Sir John arrived in India in 1928. People greeted him with black flags and shouted, Simon, go back. During the protest in Lahore, पुलिस लाठी चार्ज ऑन द प्रोटेस्टिंग विथ लाला लाजपत राय वाज बेडली इंटर्ड. उनके सर पे डंडा मार दिया जाता है, वो उनकी डेथ हो जाती है कुछ दिन बाद. उसके बाद सिविल डिसोबीडिएंट मूवमेंट. इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, उन्होंने क्या करा था, रिजेक्ट करा रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ सिवन कमीशन एंड डिमांडेड कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस, मींस पूर्ण स्वराज. राइट, गांधी जी लॉन्च्ड द सिविल डिसोबीडिएंट मूवमेंट इन 1930. मेनी अदर प्रोमिनेंट लीडर लाइक जलियांवाला, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सरोजिनी नायडू, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद, they all participated in this. This movement began with Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi. The British imposed tax on salt और इंडियन could not make salt. गांधी जी ने क्या करा, वो साबरमती आश्रम, दांडी से साबरमती आश्रम जाते हैं और दांडी पे वो जाके क्या करते हैं, सॉल्ट लो को ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट को उठाते हैं. And many people supported Gandhiji and thousands of people were arrested and civil disobedience movement continued. Right, British government passed Government of India Act 1935 to introduce reform, but the Indians were still not happy as it was not any reform that they wanted but complete independence. उनको कोई reform नहीं चाहिए, वो क्या चाहते थे, complete independence चाहते थे. फिर आती है क्विट इंडियन मूवमेंट जो आपकी स्टार्ट हुई थी आफ्टर सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर इन 1939. ब्रिटिश sent Indian soldiers to the war. Mahatma Gandhi was not happy with this. So he called for immediate independence from. So he said he has launched the Quit India movement in August 1942. And what slogan did he give? Do or die. Karo ya maro. Meaning was either achieve freedom or die. The movement got support from all sections of society. It was the final step to get India free from British rule. फिर हमारी आजाद हिंद फौज बनते, सब इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी भी कहते हैं. राइट, एंड हु वाज इम्पोर्टेंट लीडर, दैट इज सुभाष चंद्र बोस, जिनको हम पॉपुलरली क्या कहते हैं, नेताजी. ही वाज एन एक्टिव लीडर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. ही वाज अगेंस्ट हेल्पिंग द ब्रिटिश ड्यूरिंग द वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड पुट अंडर हाउस अरेस्ट. और कब हुए थे, 1914. Somehow he escaped and went to Germany through Afghanistan to raise an army to fight against British, and he went to Japan for this purpose. And what he did, he raised Indian National Army and he gave the very famous slogan, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजाद दूंगा. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Indian wins freedom after the end of the World War, Second World War in 1940. What did British did? They could no longer rule in India. They decided to give freedom. Or what happened on 15th August 1947? But before going to the British gave a final blow India, it was divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. पाकिस्तान को 14th अगस्त का इंडिपेंडेंस जो होता है और हमारा 15th अगस्त का होता है. और कौन बनते हैं पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, और पहले प्रेसिडेंट दैट इज डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Right, this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.